Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to recover or change PayPal password without phone number or email. It's pretty quick and simple. I have PayPal already open, and if you want to reset your password without a phone number, it's pretty simple. All you need to do is put in the email that associated with the account, and then we are going to push forgot password. PayPal is going to open a new page where it wants to send you a verification code to your email. You don't actually need your phone number to get your recovered confirmation code or to reset your password. So once you put in the email associated with the account, hit next, and then PayPal is going to ask you to receive the confirmation code. You can either do it through your email, you can use a credit card to confirm it, the security check, or you can receive a text. Obviously we are using no phone number for this one, so we are going to use the email, and I'm going to hit next. PayPal sent a confirmation code to my email, so I'll have to go to my email, scroll down, refresh this, and here I got the text. You can either copy the number, just memorize it, bring it over to PayPal and paste it here. Hit continue, and now you can change your password. So that's it for this video. I hope this video was helpful. If it is, like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.